Hello, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Here is Dragonfly, your host. How are you today, my dear friends and followers? So, my dear friends, let's come to talk about mental USDT. What is mental USDT? And we try to understand because how are you, my all dear friends and my all dear fans? So. Today we discuss about mental. Welcome everyone to Get Live. What today's stream is about, my dear friends, will cover mental project detail and the trading fair occurs and stay till to end 91,000 MNT reward campaign explained. So let's come, my dear friend. What is a mental MNT? Introduction MNT layer 2 solution built on Ethereum and a modular blockchain infrastructure and use case of MNT governance gas payment ecosystem development and my dear friends mental eco fund over 200 million to support Web3 project and my dear friend, why it matter in the current blockchain ecosystem. So let's come to join with me. Hello Abodi. Good morning Abodi. Thank you so much for joining my live channel Abodi. How are you Abodi and Changong all the way? Ching Hong all the way. Thank you so much, everyone. Join my live channel. Thank you. So, about the Subal Khairul Jami. Good morning, my dear friend. Good morning. Abodi, thanks for training. So, let's come to see our in voting the future of on-chain finance. Okay, bringing crypto to your everyday. So let's come to see mental vision, my dear friend. A world where finance is free, efficient, and accessible, powered by tokenized technology and open to all. This is the power of mental. So little wait, my dear friend. I am sharing my video in my private groups. Ooh, wonderful. So, my dear friends and followers, let's come to join with me and innovation pillars. Okay, innovation pillars, MNT powers, mental ecosystem, serving as a cornerstone for governance, stacking, and driving innovation across the decentralized economy. Okay, my dear friend, now we see about mental network and Ethereum layer 2 known for its modular design and as the first adapter to in layer and in day serving as a foundation for our diverse range of product and application. Okay, so METH protocol A liquid ETH stacking and restacking restacking protocol that maximize yield, widely expected as collateral collateral and CE access and DeFi app and money markets. So here is function, my dear friend. A decentralized Bitcoin solution that bridge BTC into the Web3 economy, thriving, unlocking new financial opportunity, and a mental index for an institutional grade yield bearing product that offers div- diversified exposure to a basket of top crypto assets. Okay, my dear friend. So let's come to see partnership. Here are partnership of this coin, Mental. Here you can see, my dear friend, the name of partnership. Here are, I think, get is first of all total treasury, my dear friend, 2641454871. Okay, Mental Treasury act as the necklace of mental financial ecosystem, ensuring stability and driving strategic growth. Okay, my dear friend, Treasury, here are Treasury MNT 211508151 and Major BTC and Ethereum 325238394. Okay, my dear friends, settables 190261327 and Coke 1087342, my dear friend. So let's come to the Eco Fund Catalyzed Capital Pool, my dear friend, 200000000, and the Mental Eco Fund supported by professional from Mirana Venture drives ecosystem growth by banking transformative project and accessing top their deal follow through 20 leading VCS like Polychain and Dragonfly. That's wonderful. Here are name of Dragonfly. So let's come to see other things of Mental Eco Fund, my dear friend, a 2,200 million catalyzed capital pool investing in native applications and technology partners of mental ecosystem. If you wanna, you can go here and apply, my dear friend. Investment criteria, support drive, more or eco fund, and investment here, my dear friends. You can see everything is here, my dear friends. Okay, if you wanna, you can go here and read everything is here. So static venture partner is here, and if you wanna, you can go here and contact this mental team. Okay, so let's come to see, my dear friend, other thing. Here are especially more things. Spotlight, my dear friend, newsroom, Spotlight, blog, Mental Network Q1 2025, progress review, and MNT Mental Network round up. Whether you are developer investment or crypto, and this recap will give you a comprehensive look at how mental is setting the stage on for an even bigger rest of the year. Read more, my dear friends. Mental, as we charge into Q2 2025, Mental stands on the cusp of a defining era, and today we are ecstatic to unveil to game-changing milestone, the upcoming launch of mental banking and the read more. So let's come to see read more these things. Welcome to join everyone, my dear friends and my dear followers. Have you any question about this? You can ask me there. I will try my best to tell you everything which I know, my dear friend. Q1 progress, recap, engineering DAs, sent SP1 upgrades, ecosystem, expensive expansion, and more. Here, my dear, it had truly been a quarter of the breakthrough and milestone for mental network in Q1 2025. From protocol upgrade to ecosystem growth, mental network continue to solidify its position as a leading modular chain that is on a mission to become the liquidity chain for the future. With increased adoption, upgrade to our technical architecture and strategic partnership, Q1 has been a defining period for mental network in its mission to scale Ethereum efficiently, whether you are developer, investor, or crypto enthusiast. This recap will give you a comprehensive look at how mental is setting the stage for an even bigger rest of the year. Okay. So, and if you missed it here to steer the ship forward, that at the helm is Brain, Tron's mental network chief growth officer, how recently joined the team with mental launching, mental banking, and other exciting product there in this year. We are here to ensure that mental network remain and strong foundation for mental upcoming banking operation ecosystem. My dear friend, let's delve into it. On chain metrics, approximately 650k daily active user and 3 million transactions. MNT total value locked TVL currently at over 1.2 billion in depth. TVL currently crossing at in the 253 million mark with merchant move 30 house finance and AGNI leading in top adopt TVL ranking distributed 570k, EIGEA in 4M ENA and 1M UXLI and K to over 3K 30K MNT holders. Viva reward station. How, my dear friend, this is everything for mental. If you wanna, you can see is everything is here. Okay, so let's come to see we see on the main heading on chain metrics here, upgrade to our modular architecture with engine DA and sunset sorry Sunset SP1 here engine DA has been fully integrated on mental network Sunset ZKVM reached mental network Sopolia testnet. Okay, my dear friend, here are main heading support for RAPE 7212 SCAP 256R1 signature verification. My dear friend, mental women, and here expanding the ecosystem, my dear friend. So key integration announced and clouds. So let's come to see other things, my dear friend. Collaborative ecosystem in activities. Okay, so special shout out to the yappers. Woohoo! So here you can see their most popular thing. Here you can see, my dear friend, everything is on your eyes. Building the future of Web3 one tap at a time. Okay? Suzu House collabs, exacting hackathons, mental eco fund and support program, strategic initiatives and others. Okay, my dear friend. So let's come to read and other things of mental. So go back. Here you can see letter of token holder Q2 2025 and now we see real-time blockchain agility and side from the industry's thought stats. So let's come to read it, my dear friends. So here is blockchain ecosystem manual and Web3 at the heart of blockchain promise is its ability to detect incident instantly and mobilize responses in real-time. Blockchain is no longer experimental. It's a battle test foundation for the future. If you wanna, you can click read more and read is everything is here. Okay. So my dear friend, real-time blockchain agility insight from the industry thought stats, real-time resilience. Okay. The power of real-time detection and response. So my dear friend, here is everything is here. If you wanna, you can go to this and read it very careful. The power of real-time detection and response. At the heart of blockchain promise is its ability to detect incident instantly and mobilize responses in real time. When the Bybit plot stock on February 21, 2025, industry saw this the in action transaction data visible on public ledger allowed stakeholders to track stolen funds within minutes. This transparency is not just the oracle, it's a practical adventure and enabling rapid trade and coordination among recent counter pyramids and assets providers. Traditional banking ecosystem with their centralized and private data often be focused risk leading to prolonged crisis and frozen customer fund. In contrast, blockchain occurs. Hello, Ghafoor Chaudhary. How are you, Ghafoor Chaudhary? I am fine, thank you, thank you. I am fine, my dear friend Ghafoor Chaudhary. I think you are fine, good and fit, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining my live channel. How are you and how's your gate? If you have any question, you can ask me there, my dear friend. My dear friend, let's come to see a test of resilience. How METH protocol and the ecosystem responded to the incident. Because So let's come to see here is everything. If you wanna, you can read it very carefully. My dear friend, blockchain power the next generation of the finance. So go back. Here is growing on-chain finance. Mental strategy, global leadership and commitment to growing on-chain finance. Mental, Babette, Marina Venture, MSA Nova, and former by Betgo, Polygon Labs, Paradigm, Morgan, Stanley, Goldman, such executive join the accurate institutional integration on mental. If you wanna, you can go the more read more button and read it very very carefully. Okay, my dear friend. So let's come to explain other things, my dear friend. So be ready. Get user continue construendo. Keep building up. Keep building. Thank you, get user. Thank you so much, my dear friend. I think they are all well. Thank you. That's for you, my dear friend. Get user. Mental MNT trading carnival trade golden egg to win 100% and share 91,000 MNT jackpot. That's very wonderful news for everyone. So let's come to join, my dear friend, and read it very carefully. You are rocking it. Get you there. Thank you, rocking it. Thank you so much. So, my dear friend, let's come to Gate Data. You start the mental MNT trading carnival and when a share of 91,000 MNT buy something golden X to when Utkan bucket. To when trading ball, the more chance you have to shame the golden egg, the higher probability of winning the jackpot. Click the button below to participate. No. Hello Anmol, how are you? Thank you so much for joining. So get involved now. Okay, so let's try to see. दवा देने क्या लाना उकुना मारी बिहार बेकार आप दल्ला दवा दी भाई. So my dear friend, the page is open for open in my window. So let's come to read it and then we open the page. Mental MNG project introduction. Mental is committed to building the world's largest sustainable on-chain financial hub, relying on core products such as the Mental Network, ETH protocol, and BTC, FBTC. Very nice, Anmol. Very nice there. And get user. Keep building. You are killing it. Oh, thank you so much, my dear friend. Get user to thank you, get user so much, my dear friend. So FBTC to reshape the banking industry with the help of blockchain technology with mental treasury, the largest community treasury in the ecosystem mental, ensure good liquidity and financial stability. It's more than 4.3 billion in assets, not only continue to invest in core product research and development, but also help printers such as Agora AUSD and Athena USD to enhance the sustainable eco income, liquidity, and financial utility of the network. So let's come to the click here to find more about MNT. अनमोल, हमारे लिए कोई हुक्म ड्रैगन। ख्वाजा जी, व्हाट्स द करंट मार्केट सेंटिमेंट? अनमोल, ख्वाजा जी, हाय। So thank you so much, my dear friend. Let's come to what is the find out from here. Okay. थैंक यू ख्वाजा जी, थैंक यू सो मच। हाउ इज यूर, आपकी स्ट्रीम कैसी जा रही है? तो मेरे दोस्तों, हमने इसको पहले ही रीड किया हुआ है। लेट्स कम टू सी इवेंट पीरियड। इवेंट पीरियड 2025 428 14 UTC प्लस 8 85 2025 14 UTC plus 8. How to participate here, my dear friend? Step 1, visit the event page. Number 2, complete the task to get the chance to Samish and Golden Egg. Step 3, collect Shams, Samish, the Golden Egg and choose a Golden Egg to open to win reward. Event role, my dear friend. User can get a chance to Samish Golden Egg by completing any of the following tasks. Trading bell are used to redeem reward 7 3 trading balls 1 MNT. Task 1, during the support trading event you will get one chance for every 500 MNT support trading volume over 700 support trading volume of other currencies. You can get up to 10 opportunities per day with support trading. Okay. हाँ, तो मेरे दोस्तों, टास्क टू इनवाइट बेनिफिट्स। नंबर 1, इनवाइट न्यू यूजर टू रजिस्टर एंड कंप्लीट ए सिंगल डिपॉजिट ऑफ एनी amount of MNT or support trading or future trading, and the refer will get one chance. Number 2, if the invitee single deposit in any currency is not less than 100 over the cumulative support trading volume reach 500 over the future trading volume reach 2000, in inviter will get two more chance. You can invite up to 550, sorry, up to 50 new users. Okay? Zakir Ahmad, should we hold or sell? Hello, Zakir. Thanks for joining, my dear friend. How are you today? How are you today? How are you today? I think they are all fine, good, and well. So, task 3, new user benefit, my dear friend. Register and complete a single deposit of any amount MNT or support trading or future trading to get one chance. A single deposit of last at last 100 or a support trading volume 500 or a future trading volume 2000. Any currency will be eligible for 3 chance. जाकर सर लाइव रिवार्ड मिलता है? यस यस, ज़रूर मिलता है आपको। आपने क्या इसको ज्वाइन किया हुआ है? अगर ज्वाइन किया हुआ है तो शायद आपको मिल सकता है। इसके लिए काफ़ी सारी रिक्वायरमेंट होती हैं, वो पूरी करनी होती हैं, तब आपको 5 से मतलब 1 से 15 USDT का इनाम मिल सकता है। So let's come to see task 4, share the reward, my dear friend. User can share the event page with their friend, and even when the invited friend successful log into the event page and complete any task, they can get up to 50 reward. कब मिलता है? अच्छा, ये बताओ, आप लाइव स्ट्रीमर हो या आप व्यूअर या यूजर हो? So let's come to see number 4, task here reward, my dear friend. I am already tell you about little, but I know I am going to tell you briefly. Each invited user successful log into the event page and completes any task which is considered a valid invitation and can be assisted by a maximized of on click on link click. Okay. So you can here see, my dear friend, up to 5 people to USDT, up to 20, 10, and up to 60, 50. So I think the total price pool 500 USDT. The price pool will be divided according to the number of invite. Okay, so note, my dear friend, there are not trading volume, buying volume plus selling volume. Number two, deposit are limited to on-chain deposit, our purchase via credit, our debit credit, and intra-site transfer and on-site deposit will not be counted. So number three, 73 trading. Ball 1 MNT and the collect lucky ball will share 200 MNT according to the proportion of the number of lucky balls. User must complete the identity verification before the end of event, and user need to have a cumulative support trading volume of 500 over a cumulative future trading volume of 1000 during the event period to receive the reward. Number 5, the total prize pool of golden egg, my dear friend, smashed in this event is 125 triple zero MNT, and the full amount will be distributed when it is less than 125 triple zero MNT, and the prize pool will be shared according to the proportion of reward obtained by user. The reward for mission 4 is get data you point card. Haha. Valid for 30 days. Reward will be distributed within 14 working days after the event end. Price will be published on Get Data Your News. Number 6. It is strictly forbidden to register small account in Bitch Melisoli. Birch volume by and sell knock on each other and other cheating behavior sub account and master account as well as multiple account with the same identity information will be regarded as the same participant. The trading volume of the sub account will not be counted in the master account and sub account participate in the activities. So let's come to the other things. My dear friend, you are ready, ready, ready. Participate in the activities. So number 7, my dear friend, if a user participated get data you other activities at the same time, he or she will only receive reward for one event. Number 8, if there is any discrepancy between the translated version and the original English version, the English version shall provide market makers, cross corporation, institution, agent account, and partner account are not eligible to participate in this event. Shani Trader, good morning. Hello, Shani Trader. Thank you so much for joining. Good morning to you. Nice good morning and lovely good morning. Have a good day. So let's come to my dear friend and followers. Number 10, get data. You reserve the right of final interpretation of this event. This activity is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Number 12, user in the UK and other restricted region may not be able to use all over part of the service including participation in the event game over competition. Please read the user agreement for detail and restricted region. Please note that we don't intend to socialize or market to customers in these restricted location. Get data your team. Here is get data your team April 28, 2025. So let's come to see trading here wall. Here is mental. Oh, this section is finished. Now we are read mental trading carnival. My dear friend, trade the golden egg share is share of 91,000 in prize pool. Okay, my dear friend, end the countdown. Golden egg smashing chance zero. Okay, I have no chance for break the egg. Golden egg. So let's come to read it very carefully how to participate it. My dear friend, event rule: complete any of the following mission to get the corresponding golden egg smashing opportunity. User need to visit the event page on the same day to receive the task reward. Cause here is support trading 010, invitation benefit 150. So number one, my dear friend, one chance for every 500 MNT support trading volume over 700 other currency support trading volume. You can get up to 10 opportunities per day with support trading. So here one invite new user to register and complete a single deposit of any amount of MNT over support trading over contract trading, and the inviter will get one chance. Number two, if the invitee single deposit in any currency is not less than 100 or the cumulative support trading volume reach 500 over the future trading volume reach 2000, and the inviter can get two more chance. You can invite up to 50 new user. How, my dear friend? Now let's come to see new user benefit. Register and complete a single deposit of any amount of MNT or support trading or future trading to get one chance. Okay, so number two is single deposit of at least 100 hour support trading volume of 500 over a future trading volume to 2000 in any currency will be eligible for three chance. That's great. So share the gift, my dear. User can share the event page with their friend, and if when the invited friend successfully log into the event page and complete any task, they can get up to 50 USDT reward. So my dear friend, practication. Number one, trading volume, buying volume plus selling volume. Number two, deposit are limited to on-chain deposit or purchase Viva credit or debit card, and in intra-site transfer and on-site deposit not be counted. Number three, please complete the identity verification before the end of the event. Receive the reward. Number four, market makers, corporation, institution, agent, and parental account are not eligible for participate in this event. Five, sub account and master account as well as multiple account with the same identity information will be considered as the same participant. The trading volume of sub account will not be counted toward the master account, and sub account will not be eligible to participate in the promotion. Number six, get data. You reserve the right of final interpretation of this event. More detail is here. Here is more detail. We are already read it more detail, my dear friend. If you wanna read more detail, so go to back my videos, see it very carefully, listen it very carefully, and then you understand what is the criteria of uh, MANTLE occurs. So. Here is tutorial, my dear friend. Number one, complete the course to get a chance to Sam's golden egg. Number two, click the same gold egg button and move the mouse to select golden egg. Number three, click the mouse to Sam's open the golden egg and get a big prize. Here are tutorial, my dear friend. So let's come to see other things, other things, other things. Where is our launch pad? Here is launch pool, here is launch pad. So here is launch pad, my dear friend. Here are no anything we read. So candy drop, hodler airdrop. Let's come to see hodler airdrop. So let's come to see hodler airdrop. How to participate hodler airdrop, my dear friend? And what is hodler airdrop? So, my dear friend, let's come to see Launchpad guide and what is Launchpad? How to participate Launchpad? So, let's come to see, my dear friend. Number one, what is the get data your Launchpad? Okaz, get data your Launchpad is an innovative exchange token Asian's platform that allows user to subscribe for partially crypto project token for a fee season early stage investment opportunity. Get involved now. Because so here you can see my dear friend. No, this time not any project in this. Get Data Your Launchpad is world leading project publish platform. So join now and give your project more exposure and growth opportunities. So let's come to how to participate and get data your launchpad. See your get data your personal account to go to the get data your launchpad page. Select the project you want to participate in and click subscribe now. So check out the detailed tutorial. Tutorial. Always English. Because So let's come to how to participate in large pool pad. Log into Get Data your account, personal account and enter Launchpad app, click on Launchpad, web, click hit new Launchpad. Number two, select the project you want to participate in and click subscribe now. Enter the investment amount and click subscribe now to complete the subscription. Number four, you can go to the subscription history to view the past subscription history and subscription status. Here is here is everything. Web, my dear friend. If you open the web, go to AI Meet King Movers. You can see here. Click here and join. You can see, my dear friend, there is everything is here. If you wanna, you can go and join. If you wanna, this is app for Launchpad. Go to this section and click the more button and see, my dear friend, this area and participate in this section. Okay, so let's come to see other. What token can I use to participate in Get Data Your Launch Poll? Usually the items is used are divided into use GT, make a subscription or use USDT to subscribe for specific support for participating in the subscription of token. Please check the project announcement detail. Will the subscription fund be locked? Yes, the position will be logged after the subscription is successful. If the subscription is successful, the corresponding subscription fund will be detected. If the subscription fails, your subscription fund will be unlocked and returned to your support account full. So let's come to see, my dear friend, number five. How are token distributed? After the subscription end, the number of token will be allocated according to the proportion of your personal subscription fund. इसको दो लेना. In the total participation amount and the subscription fund will be detected and the token will be reached to your support account after the detection is successfully. Get user, hi, get user. Thank you so much for joining my live channel. How are you? I am fine, my dear friend. I am fine, good and healthy. How about you? How about you, my dear friend? So, my dear friend, how many token will I get? Get user, I am good. That's wonderful. That's very nice, my dear friend. From where are you? Can you tell me? Get user. Nice to meet you. Calculate how many token you will receive beside on the percentage of your uh, participation in the subscription capital of the total subscription fund of the enter project. Get user, where are you from? Get user, where are you from, my dear friend? I am from Pakistan. So example, the Launchpad project issues a total of 10,000 token if silent and lock up 1 GT according to, sorry, accounting for 1% of the total participation fund of the enter project. Then the amount token that silent A can get after subscription end 10,000 multiply 1% equal 100. Get user, from where are you? I am from Pakistan, my dear friend. How are you today? And you are get data you. I think you are well and your get data account is full. So my dear friend, number 7, is there a limit to number of the token I can get? So depending on the project, some project will set a cap of the number of tokens that can be obtained. Specific information can be viewed in each project. Because number 8, how much fund will be detected from my lock up after successful subscription? How can I get free money? There are lots of method, my dear friend. You can get free money. First of all, tell me your name and your country, then I will try my best to teach you everything. So number 9, my dear friends. Sorry. Number 8. Intel price of token, target amount of fund, rise number of token issued. Thank you so much. Mr. Shahzeb from Pakistan. So, my dear friend, detection in lock up the number of token obtained by the user, the unit price of token. मिस्टर शाहजेब, आप कहाँ से हो? मिस्टर शाहजेब, ओ भाई टेंशन न लो, बता दो कहाँ से हो। ओ कित्थों है वैसे ही सरायकी भिरा है वे वाली दसा दो। जे तुसी पंजाबी हो तो फिर भी दस दो, जे तुसी उर्दू स्पीकिंग हो तो वो भी बता दो। So detection and lock up the number of token obtained by the user multiple the unit price of token. Number 9, can I work on more than one project at the same time? Balochistan, that's great, wonderful. So my dear friend, आप बलोच हो, आई एम सरायकी फ्रॉम पंजाब। तो आपके पास लैपटॉप है मिस्टर शाहजेब? क्या याद करेंगे, ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी किसी को नहीं देता। अगर आपके पास लैपटॉप है तो आप मुझे फॉलो भी कर लें, मेरे साथ राब्ते में भी रहें, ठीक है। सो लेट्स कम टू सी, कैन आई वर्क ऑन मोर देन वन प्रोजेक्ट एट द सेम टाइम? तो आपके पास लैपटॉप नहीं है। अच्छा, एक काम करो, आप ऐसा करो, एक अदद लैपटॉप ले लो और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि 1 महीने में आपके लैपटॉप के पैसे निकल आएंगे, ठीक है। हाँ, मैं कोशिश करूँगा। मेरे दोस्त शाहजेब अपना यूज़र नेम भी चेंज करके मिस्टर शाहजेब रख दें, तो मुझे पहचानने में ज़रा आसानी होगी, क्योंकि इधर बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं जो गेट यूज़र होते हैं, तो मैं आपको पहचान नहीं पाऊँगा फिर, ठीक है। मेरी बातें समझ आ रही हैं तो कोई कमेंट्स वगैरह कर दो, तो मैं आपको, आप मेरी गेट पोस्ट खोलेंगे वहाँ पे कमेंट्स करेंगे, तो बाकी बातें वहाँ पे होंगी, ठीक है। So let's come to see my dear friend number 9. Can I work on more than on one project at the same time? As long as you are eligible for, you can participate in multiple projects at the same time. The same project can only be entered once. Occurs? हाँ, अपनी प्रोफाइल पे जाओ, अपनी प्रोफाइल पे जाओ, अपनी प्रोफाइल को वेरीफाइड करो, गेट यूज़र मिस्टर शाहजेब, ठीक है। तो मेरे ख्याल में अगर आपके पास लैपटॉप होगा तो ज़्यादा बेहतर होगा आपके लिए, ठीक है। बाकी चीज़ें मैं आपको सिखा दूंगा, आपको नहीं भी आती तो सिखा दूंगा। और मैं यहाँ पे हमारी क्रिप्टो टॉक होती है टेलीग्राम पर, तो वहाँ पर भी क्रिप्टो टॉक में आप हिस्सा ले, सॉरी, हमारी सुन सकते हैं। तो मैं आपको भेज देता हूँ अपना यूज़र नेम, ठीक है। तो आप जो है ना मुझसे रब्ता कर लेना, ठीक है। ठीक है मिस्टर शाहजेब। So my dear friend, हाँ, the Launchpad project was successfully issued. Why did I get zero token? When the project subscription end, if the number of token calculated according to the distribution rule is less than 8 disclaim place, it will be regarded as a field subscription and all the subscription fund will be unlocked and returned to your support account. Budu Maps, Timur bullish or bearish? Budu Map, thank you so much. Thank you so much, bullish and bearish. So, my dear friend, this is what is what is Launchpad? Because what is the Get Data Launchpad? And now we see how to participate in Launchpad. Let's come to read it very carefully. I also already tell you about how to participate in Launchpad, my dear friend. So if have you any question, you can ask me there, my dear. Here is get data. You how to participate in Launchpad. Number one, get log into get data your personal account and enter Launchpad. For app user, click on and Launchpad. For web user, click hit new and Launchpad. Number two, select the project you want to participate in and click subscribe now. And number three, enter the investment amount and click subscribe now to complete the subscription. And number four, you can go to subscription history to view the past subscription history and subscription status. Here you can see my dear friend. Where are you, Mr. Shahzeb? Mr. Shahzeb, where are you? हाँ, तो मैंने आपको कुछ भेजा है, क्योंकि ये चीज़ें अगर हम डायरेक्ट बैठ के इधर बात करें तो हमें बैन कर देते हैं, और मे भी पॉसिबल हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम भी बैन कर देते हैं। तो मैंने कोड वर्ड के हिसाब से आपको बताया तो है, और आपको भेजा भी है, मुझे उम्मीद है आप पिक कर लेंगे, ठीक है। मुझे लगता है आपको समझ आ गई होगी. So, my dear friend, if you wanna, you can go and see this page very carefully and subscribe Launchpad. And for this is for app users, my dear friends, and many more on this. Okay? हाँ तो मेरे दोस्तों और प्यारे दोस्तों, मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम का टाइम नियर अबाउट टू एंड हो चुका है. तो इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे शाम के टाइम दोबारा. तब तक के लिए तमाम दोस्तों से चाहूँगा इजाज़त. एंड मिस्टर शाहजेब ABRA अबड़ा 300 ABRA 300 दैट्स माई. ये सही मेरा यूज़र नेम ठीक है. वो भी करप्टोटाक वास्ते टेलीग्राम दा. तो माय डियर फ्रेंड, आज की लाइव यहाँ तक. मिलेंगे दोबारा. तब तक के लिए हैव ए नाइस डे, हैव ए गुड डे. टाटा बाय बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज. अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू.